Here, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a really simple, easy roller recipe that you can make. It's called the Superwoman Blend. It's amazing for calming your nervous system. Really, if you're nervous or anxious, those feelings that come up, especially as ladies, you're absolutely going to love this essential oil blend that I'm going to give you today. So you'll definitely want to stick around for the recipe. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, so when you breathe in an essential oil, it goes immediately to your olfactory bulb. Your olfactory bulb then triggers your limbic system. Well, that part of the brain is directly connected to the parts of the brain that is connected to our heart rate, our blood pressure, our breathing, our memory, and our stress levels, our hormone levels, all those things. So did you know how powerful essential oils are? When you're breathing them in, they can truly have a profound effect on not only psychological, but also physiological effects on your body. They're so potent and effective. The only company that I would partner with that I have used for the last 8 years and I trust for my family and for myself is doTERRA essential oils. When you're breathing in an essential oil, it is immediately in your brain. And so make sure that you know the company that you are partnered with. So when I'm speaking specifically about doTERRA essential oils. Okay, if you're new to our channel, please see our previous video that we did a deeper dive on sourcing and testing and why we have personally chosen to partner with doTERRA essential oils. Okay, so back to the Superwoman recipe. I want to tell you, it is from the Smart Mom's Guide of Essential Oils with Dr. Mariza Snyder. I love her recipes. You'll want to check out her book. And so I'm going to give you the oils that are in this special Superwoman blend of essential oils. If you're new to our channel, go to roxysaran.com. If you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, we would love to help you right there at roxysaran.com. Okay, so you're gonna have your glass roller bottle. We're gonna do 12 drops of clary sage. Now, clary sage is an amazing essential oil that helps calm tension and anxiety, fatigue. It also helps support healthy hormonal balance and promotes restful sleep. So 12 drops of clary sage, 10 drops of lavender. Now, lavender is very calming to the mind, racing mind, helps with communication and any tension, thoughts, and even feelings of insecurity. And as women, we have that, right? And so 12 drops of clary sage, 10 drops of lavender. The next thing we're gonna add is 5 drops of geranium. Now, geranium is an emotional essential oil. It helps with healing of emotions, helps really with feelings of trust and also being more gentle and loving and more open and really nurturing to the heart. And so a lot of times women, we have those feelings that maybe we are not really sure even how to process. So 5 drops of a geranium is gonna help with how you handle those emotions and just being more open. You're gonna love that. Okay, next in our roller bottle for our Superwoman blend, we're gonna add 5 drops of cedarwood. Now, cedarwood essential oil, not only is it calming and grounding, but it helps with feelings of loneliness or antisocial. It really helps you be more grounded and feel like part of the group, of belonging, community oriented, and feelings of being supported. It makes you feel more open and receiving love and supporting those around you. So cedarwood is the oil of community. We're gonna add 5 drops of that to your Superwoman blend. And last but not least, 4 drops of ylang ylang. Ylang ylang is an amazing essential oil that helps calm stress and helps with balancing your hormones and also with feelings of exhaustion. It's also an aphrodisiac and aids with our blood pressure issues, helps support restful sleep, and even helping with emotional wellness. So there you go. All of those are the top oils. I'll give you the recipe one more time for our Superwoman blend for nervous or anxious feelings. And that is 12 drops of clary sage, 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of geranium, 5 drops of cedarwood, and 4 drops of ylang ylang. The rest of your 10 ml roller bottle, you're gonna fill the rest of it with fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA. And then you put your top on there. You'll roll it anytime that you need on your pulse points. That can be on your neck, on your ankles, on your wrists, anywhere, and that can be your perfume for the day. So there you go. You're gonna feel like a superwoman. I hope to hear in the comments below how this blend is helping you with your feelings and emotions, superwoman. And I hope to see you in our next video. I'll be demonstrating the aroma touch technique from doTERRA and how we utilize it in our home to support a healthy immune system with our kiddos. I hope you have a great day today.